Hello guys, welcome back to It's Home and Away. And to my new subscribers, join the family. Kindly go back and watch the previous videos and you'll get to know what Home and Away is all about. Growing up, gardening wasn't fun at all. My grandma used to send us to the garden like a whole punishment. And trust me, I felt every moment of it. The heat, the soil, the chores. I couldn't stand it. And to make the matters worse, she would assign us portion and you will not leave the farm without completing the portion that you are assigned. Well, it really felt like punishment. But again, life really does flip things around. What once felt like punishment has slowly turned into something that I genuinely enjoy doing. I've been farming for a while now, learning new things, trying out new crops, failing at times, trying again and again, and not giving up. I have found peace in the soil, and I have enjoyed every step of the garden. I wouldn't trade this for anything. So today in this video, I am introducing a new crop, pak choy. The best part of farming is that you don't need a big farm. You can still grow something or anything in those tiny spaces. Trust me on that. In this little space here, we have eaten very fresh and organic vegetables all throughout the year. So watch this video to the end, guys. Be encouraged. Feel free to like, comment, let us engage with the video. Guys, you said that we are not going to give up on our Chinese cabbage. So today in my list, I have lots and lots of Chinese cabbage. You want to plant them again? The Chinese cabbage. Then I have lettuce. This one is a different kind of lettuce, not the one I have. This one, it grows like a cabbage. It looks like cabbage. The one I have grows tall like kale, but this one looks like cabbage. And then I'll be rotating doing crop rotation. I also have uh, mint. I have mint. The time I used to have so many mint, a lot. So this is the time I'm replanting the ones I have dried up. And then I have the big leaf onions. These ones stay forever. They are drought resistant. They are easy to maintain. That's why I bought a lot of it, like what you're seeing. Then all of this, but some are going to the village. Some I'll plant here. I also have another one. Let me show you this. This is the newest one in our garden. It is a class of Chinese cabbage, but not the same. You can see the difference. This one and this. So it looks like lettuce, but it is cooked. This one is cooked. It's cooked. It's called pakochi. Pak choy. Sorry, pak choy. This is called pak choy, and I'll be planting it for the first time. Just want to see how it's going to adapt. I always don't like plants that need a lot of care. Just want when I grow it and I take care of it the first week, the second week, it's good to go. So let us plant all of this here and now, because the sun has gone down and the weather now is very cool. for planting. So let's harvest our onions. We see what is there beneath it, and the soil is very tough. They are very tiny. I think I've removed it when it's not yet ready. You see, this one is not yet ready, so I will not remove the rest. I'll give it some few more weeks so that they can be big. But it was doing so well. Look at all this, from one onion to this. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10 in one. So it was going to do very, very well. Unfortunately, I've removed it when it's not yet ready. So this one has alerted me that I'm not supposed to remove the others. So let's plant our new crops. So here we used to have the Chinese cabbage, but I want to do some rotation. So I'm putting the pak choy. I plant the pak choy here. Actually, I have not too many. This one. So wait for this one to mature. So here we will do the Chinese cabbage in this area. We already planted the paper here. These ones are very good for mulching. These ones we are going to use to cook. They are a bit dry, but we'll get the green ones and use them tonight for cooking. Finally, here we are going to plant the lettuce. So this lettuce and this one, they are different. This one grows like a stick tall like this, but this one grows like a cabbage. So I just want to put two in this container so that they get space. This one I'm leaving for seeds. I have lots of them. So I might need to get another space for this. Still have a lot. We are done with today's work. We have planted the lettuce, but I'm getting another container for the rest. We have planted pa, the pakochi. That name still disturbs me. Pakochi. We have planted the pepper. Peppers are doing so well. Here we planted the onions, the big onions. All of this space here we planted the big onions. And then this other side I did the Chinese cabbage. So, and the tomato, we just threw a dead tomato and there it is. So this is what I've done in the evening now. I still have some things to be planted. I'll just do that off camera now. This is what I'll use for mulching. This time I'm not going to gamble with this. I will not use sawdust. This is it, guys. I think I'm done for today. Maybe I will see you in my next video. Let's see. Bye bye.